So definitely, I mean, I think the whole attempt of looking at a just future can't really begin if you don't truthfully acknowledge the present. So even just trying to understand what's going on, gig workers definitely, and we're also having a dedicated session for it. But we also want to try and share with people that what are the claims that digital technologies were introduced with. There are two things that I primarily want to use this platform to talk about, and maybe the second through the questions I'll try and make time for. But ये digital interventions जब introduce किए जाते हैं, तब क्या तीन चार चीजें बोल के they were introduced, and we want to try and show that today's reality is in a situation that not only are we achieving what the stated intention and the stated claim was, we're also leading to a whole lot of other exclusions, which power or state calls collateral damage. So we started with that लोगों को डेटाबेसेस से हटाने पड़ेंगे ताकि करप्शन, जो इलेजिबल लोग हैं, जो गलत बेनिफिट्स ले रहे हैं, वो सब हटे, so that more eligible people can come onto our database. We've seen people are being excluded, ineligible people still being on databases. No ration list has opened out to include so many more people who have actually been excluded because of the 2011 census still being the base document in 2024. So we're seeing that the whole attempt of trying to clean up databases through digital technology in the name of reducing corruption and in the name of increasing access to those who deserve it is actually not happening. All of those people are very much still in the databases, and we've led to, like we'll see in the session at 4 o'clock, the kinds of people who are out of the database. Second, we're saying digital technology is going to be used to control corruption. We are going to make sure incorrect people don't access and the correct people are taking on. We will see examples. I won't take much time here. Facial recognition is being used on a program like Narega, which is being implemented in 6 lakh villages. What all is being done to look at controlling corruption, and none of that is being achieved. And what in turn it's led to, and the kinds of workers who are not able to even recognize their attendance. The third kinds of things that are introduced is that एक आइडेंटिटी कार्ड बन जाएगा, आधार एक होगा, आफ्टर दैट नन ऑफ इट, यू विल नॉट हैव टू गो विद डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स एंड प्रूव योरसेल्फ अगेन एंड अगेन. We are seeing the total opposite of that happening. You get an Aadhaar and now you have to do NPCI seeding, you have to do this verification, you have to get an OTP. There are 4 levels added on top of it. So just this idea that much of what is being introduced in the name of digital technology, what are its claims, need to be thoroughly interrogated. If we have to start imagining a just future, we have to recognize what actually is not, what injustice is happening today. And second thing that I do want to share about is, and touching to the gig issue, is that we are also not a community which has got this very sorry face on digital technology. We are not saying we're anti-digital tech. There is immense possibility of digital technology. And where we are the ones fighting, saying through digital technology आप automatic registration कर सकते हो, gig workers का social security बन सकता है through every delivery, एक portal में सारी सूचनाएं public domain में आ सकती है. These are all possibilities only leveraged through digital technology, and we are seeing the resistance to it. We are seeing governments refusing to do it, legislations not coming through because of vested interests. So here we are saying that when we want to leverage digital technology to show what's possible from the point of view of workers, ordinary people, it's being resisted. So there is a hypocrisy which needs to also come out. We are not anti-tech, anti-digital, and only crying about what's going wrong. When we want to assert ourselves and show how it can be done, power comes in the way and it's resisting because it understands what its potential is.